Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, our today's topic is biomagnification. Biomagnification is the increase in the concentration of harmful chemicals like pesticides in the body of living organisms at each trophic level of a food chain. This biomagnification is also called as bioamplification, or you can sometimes call it as biological magnification as well. Or simply, biomagnification is the process by which toxins are passed from one trophic level to another trophic level, thereby increasing the concentration within a food chain or a food web. Here I have put an example, it will help you to understand easily. This is an aquatic food chain here. This is how biomagnification of DDT happens in an aquatic food chain. So बायोमैग्निफिकेशन स्टार्ट कैसे होता है वाटर बॉडी में? व्हेन टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स आर रिलीज्ड इनटू द वाटर बॉडी, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. तो उससे क्या होगा, जो वाटर बॉडी में फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स होंगे, फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स आपको ऑलरेडी पता है, फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स आर दी स्मॉल माइक्रोस्कोपिक प्लांट लाइक ऑर्गेनिजम्स. तो ये फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स जो है वो इस डीडीटी को अब्सॉर्ब करेंगे. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 0.03 पार्ट्स पर मिलियन अब्सॉर्ब हो गया फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स में. नाउ दीज फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स वुड बी ईटन बाय दी जूप्लैंक्टॉन्स. तो ये जूप्लैंक्टॉन जो है, दिस जूप्लैंक्टॉन दे विल ईट लॉट्स ऑफ फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन. सो जूप्लैंक्टॉन्स में जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, like it will be 0.04 ppm, and these zooplanktons would in turn be eaten by small fish. So it's natural कि स्मॉल फिश जो है वो बहुत सारे जूप्लैंक्टन्स खाएगी. तो इसका मतलब है कि स्मॉल फिश में जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो फर्दर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. अब ये स्मॉल फिश वुड बी ईटन बाय लार्जर फिश. तो लार्ज फिश जो है वो बहुत सारे स्मॉल फिश खाएंगे. सो नेचुरली उनमें जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ डीडीटी है वो और इंक्रीज होगा. एंड लाइकवाइज these large fish would be eaten by the sometimes, for example, fish eating birds, or you can call them top predators also. उसमें क्या है, लार्ज फिश को वेल भी खा सकती है, शार्क भी खा सकता है, या फिर डॉल्फिन. सो दैट मीन्स टॉप प्रेडेटर जो है उसमें कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ डीडीटी बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया, 5 ppm. नाउ दैट मीन्स biomagnification is the increase in the concentration of the chemical. हमने यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिया है DDT का. So the concentration of this DDT, it got increased from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. अगर lower trophic level पे 0.003 parts per million था, तो higher trophic level में how much it would be? It would be nearly 5 ppm. So that means the concentration of the DDT got increased. So this increase in the concentration of a toxic chemical when it passes from one trophic level to another trophic level is called as biomagnification or biological magnification. These chemicals or these toxic chemicals, they do not easily break down. That means they are non-biodegradable and they remain in the environment for a longer period of time, and they can build up in the fatty tissues of living organisms. For example, DDT, as you already know, is an insecticide, polychlorinated biphenyls. These are synthetic or man-made carbon, organic chemicals containing carbon, hydrogen and chlorine. These PCBs are used in electrical equipments. Although DDT and PCBs, all these chemicals have been banned already, but they can still be found in the oceans and in the tissues of many marine animals. DDT was banned in 1972, PCB was banned in 2004, but still they exist in the environment because, as I already told you, these chemicals they are non biodegradable, so ये environment में बहुत ज़्यादा time तक रहते हैं, so they persist in the environment for a longer period of time, they keep moving with the water, वो पानी के साथ move करेंगे और ये dissolve होते हैं in the fatty tissues of living organisms. So the biomagnification of these chemicals impact human health. These chemicals can cause cancer, they are carcinogenic, PCBs, DDT or pesticides etc. They are carcinogenic, or they can damage kidney and they can cause different diseases in humans. They can also, these chemicals that cause biomagnification, they affect the reproduction and development of marine creatures as well. For example, DDT causes the thinning of eggshells in the eggs of seabirds. जो DDT है उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो seabirds के eggs होते हैं उसके shells thin रहते हैं. That means they can easily get crushed. That means this biomagnification is affecting their reproduction. And at last, this biomagnification, it can cause disruption of food chains, because अभी आपने देखा कि aquatic food chain में top predators में बहुत ज़्यादा concentration होता है, तो top predators जो है they would get affected very easily. तो अगर एक food chain में top predator निकल जाता है तो इसका मतलब है बाकी के जो trophic levels हैं वो affect हो जाएंगे. So that means it leads to the disruption of food chains. So this is all about biomagnification. Thank you. And our next topic would be the control of water pollution.